So here is the demo. We have implemented a wireless communication testbed where we are using USRP2920, which are the white boxes in front of you. So we are using two USRP2920. We have two laptops with LabVIEW and LabVIEW modulation toolkit as well as the NI USRP toolkit installed. We have two vertical 900 antennas, so these are the dual band antennas, and we have the LAN cable. So all the LAN cable is connecting the basic hardware, that is the NI USRP, to the host system, right? So here we have a transmitter and this is the receiver. We are programming this particular transmitter using a transmitter program which is running on LabVIEW platform. Similarly, on the receiver side, we are basically programming this device, this NI USRP2920, as a receiver by running a receiver program there on the LabVIEW platform. So this is the transmitter end. We have this host PC, the host laptop, that has been connected to the NI USRP2920 using a LAN cable. We have connected an antenna vertical 900 at its transmitter end, TX1, right? So we have to basically tell the LabVIEW that on which particular port we have connected the antenna. So for this USRP2920, it has two receiver port and one transmitter port. So these are the SMA ports. We are connecting this particular antenna there in these SMA ports. Here on the LabVIEW, you have to define the sampling frequency, you have to define the basic carrier frequency, you have to define the gain and the active antenna. So here you can see it's TX1. So we have connected to the TX1 port. So we have to tell the LabVIEW API that we have connected to TX1, right? Now you can select. So this is a basic example code which I have run on this system. So it is for PSK transmitter code. So here you can see it has BPSK, QPSK, then pi by 4, DQPSK, then OQPSK, PSK, 8 PSK, then 16 PSK. So number of PSK formats are there, right? So you have to select the desired one, whosoever you want to basically test. And similarly, on the receiver side, you have to set the same parameters, right? So this is the receiver side. We have this USRP2920 with the antenna connected to the RX1 port, right? So this 2920 has two receiver ports. So now we are using basically the RX1 port. So we have defined the same RX1 here in the LabVIEW code, right? So we have set all the parameters. Now you'll see that there is one particular tab by the name device name. So this is the IP address of this particular device. By default, the IP address, whenever you are purchasing it for the first time, by default the IP address is 192.168.10.2, 3 or 4. So basically you can change the IP address by accessing the NI configuration utility software, an app which is there in the system and which get installed when you install the USRP software, right? So there you can even check the basic, what is the basic IP address of this system. So this is the NI USRP configuration utility window. So here you can see the IP address of this device which is connected to this particular laptop is 10.2, right? So we have defined the same here, right? So these transmitter and the receiver USRP has been placed at a distance of approximately 1 meter, and there is a wireless medium between them. So they are basically communicating using the antennas that are connected to their transmitter receiver port. Now you can see here I have set a 16 PSK format, right? And at the receiver side I have set the same format, 16 PSK, and I'm able to get the constellation graph. So that is the basic